I just remember what I called you for, ma'am. Will we soon be leaving soon?
I'm afraid there's a slight delay, so we'll have to be here for a little while.
So you're going to serve dinner soon?
As soon as we're taking off, sir. Will that be all?
Yes. Thanks, please.
John depends on this airline for delay.
Yes, ma'am. I wonder when they're going to serve the food, man.
I better take care of mine and food. I'm crazy people like I we travel with no one food, man. But if I took some food with them serve and then the airline and can't
Well, I might as well take a little of my cornmeal porridge that I bring with me.
Oliver want to go hungry, got you know. Oliver really pack up the cornmeal porridge in a, what you call it again? Thermos? Gone on the plane. Which foreign Oliver go? What if a small foreign or a big foreign? I don't know where Jamaican call big foreign or small foreign, though. Or me have to explain that. Run it, Oliver.
That smells good.
Thanks. And it tastes even better.
You know, it is very necessary to have something first thing in the morning.
Very necessary.
I always cook me like a cornmeal porridge, you know, but this morning I set up so late I could even get it together.
Sorry to hear.
And you know, me have a little bowl and I'm drinking porridge out there.
Very nice, ma'am. Very nice.
Aye. Oliver really play, but Oliver don't care. Mama beggy indirectly a F-U-C-K. Go and beg Mama. He might give you some. Let's watch and see.
Hi. You want some of me porridge?
I always carry my own little bit, you know, because I drove food and serve on the plane can't hold me.
Nice work, Brenda. Nice work. But tell me something. Are you cook this?
Me alone, my love. Me never go to my bed till 3 o'clock this morning.
Lord, missus, your hands sweet doing
Oh,
that.
sweet, sir.
But you know, Brenda, I could have drink something.
What you want, man? How much money we pay for the plane ticket?
That's no lie. Hello, waitress. Come here, waitress.
Come.
Call it big air hostess. Or air hostess. Waitress. Yo. Two hungry good people on play. Nothing can top this.
Yo.
What's a waitress?
That's hard, man. You know, from I have been traveling, is the best crashing demonstration I ever see.
Is that all, sir?
And you see, I get the window seat. I tell you, it's a tremendous view from up here. Brenda, look now.
Lovely.
It will be even more tremendous when we actually take off, sir. Sure.
I believe you, my dear. I believe you. No, I can beg you a little favor.
What's that, sir?
Can I get a tall glass of lemonade?
Well, make it cool. No one wants
No, I'm sorry. I can't help you there.
Well, you can.
Yeah, you mean you can't help me? Me not. No, darling, come in now. Look here. See, me have 2 lime, yeah? Me did try to stick up and balance, you know? You must have water and sugar for him,
I can't do that now.
Yo. Oliver love a view. And them not even take off. Oliver new coolie to flying. Oliver have me crying. Oh my god. I want Oliver, man. Oliver the greatest. Remember me told you. If you like the look of video there, just like it. Leave a comment down below. Leave a comment in the comment section. Share the video for me with your friends, family, and your dirty ex. And subscribe if you haven't. And if you're subscribed already, just share it with your best ex. Bless.